The magic number 4,000 hours to YouTube success. This is the threshold that can transform your channel from a hobby into a potential career. Want to make money on YouTube? It's not just about uploading videos. It's about meeting specific criteria. You need 4,000 hours of watch time. This is a significant milestone that every aspiring YouTuber aims to achieve. This is a key requirement for the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. Without it, you can't monetize your content. YPP lets you earn ad revenue and access special features. These features can help you grow your channel even further. It's a big deal for new YouTubers. Reaching this milestone can be a game changer. Reaching this milestone proves people enjoy your content. It shows that your audience is engaged and invested in what you create. So how do you get there quickly? What strategies can you employ to hit that magic number? Let's dive in. Many creators find this number daunting, but don't worry. It's achievable with smart strategies. You just need to know where to focus your efforts. It's achievable with smart strategies. Collaborate with other YouTubers, plan your content meticulously, and stay consistent. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. The better your content, the more likely viewers will stay. Remember, it's not just about getting views, it's about keeping viewers watching. Audience retention is key. The longer they watch, the faster you'll reach your goal. So, keep them entertained and coming back for more. Hooked on content, keeping viewers engaged. Content is king. To get 4,000 watch hours, you need videos that grab attention. Think about your audience. What do they want to see? What problems can you solve? Create videos that are informative, entertaining, or both. Use attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first impression. Make it count. Once viewers click, engage them from the start. A strong intro keeps them hooked. Ask questions, tell stories, and keep your energy high. The power of consistency. Uploading regularly for success. Consistency is the backbone of a thriving YouTube channel. Consistency is key on YouTube. It helps build a loyal audience who eagerly awaits your content. A regular upload schedule keeps viewers coming back. They know when to expect new content, which builds anticipation. Choose a realistic schedule you can stick to, whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. Consistency over time is more important than frequency. Let your audience know when to expect new videos. Communication is key to maintaining viewer interest. Creating playlists is another great strategy. It helps organize your content and makes it more accessible. Organize your videos into relevant topics. This not only helps with navigation but also enhances the viewer's experience. This makes it easy for viewers to find content they enjoy and watch more of your videos. Playlists can significantly increase watch time. The longer they stay on your channel, the more watch time you gain. Increased watch time can lead to better rankings and more visibility on YouTube. Section 4. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaboration and live streaming. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Working with other creators can bring fresh ideas and perspectives to your content. Partnering with other YouTubers exposes you to a new audience, helping you grow your subscriber base and increase engagement. Find creators in your niche and reach out for collaborations. Networking is key to building strong relationships in the YouTube community. Guest starring in each other's videos can boost your reach and watch time. Sharing tips and tricks can also benefit both parties. Live streaming is another fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time. It creates a sense of immediacy and connection. Viewers often spend longer periods watching live streams, contributing significantly to your watch time. This can help improve your channel's performance. Interact with your viewers, answer questions, and have fun. Engaging with your audience in real time can build a loyal community. Section 5. Your YouTube journey starts now. Take action. Reaching 4,000 hours of watch time is a significant milestone for any YouTuber. Remember, focus on creating valuable, engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Be consistent with your uploads, collaborate with others, and interact with your audience. Your YouTube journey starts now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action, create, upload, and engage. Your audience is waiting to discover your unique voice and content. Good luck!